All right, so here we got a motion sensing shower light. This is waterproof, so it can be installed in your shower. You know, I didn't want to install it in my shower and make a video. I thought it'd be a little difficult, but I want to show you this one. So very, very neat. You get power into this by using a USB-C, but it's included. It has a magnetic base, and it comes with a magnetic base right here. Owner's manual, and this is the box right here. This thing is really neat because it comes on automatically if you want to use auto mode, but you can also just turn it on and off with the remote. It also is adjustable with the brightness. It's very, very bright. I'm going to turn it down. You can change the color of the white. It also has RBG, or basically just different color LEDs. You have a timer on here. If I click this, I can actually just change it, right? Change the color manually, or I can have it kind of rotate through. So it's very neat. I'll kind of bring it out here so you can take a closer look at this. It's really flat, and it's meant to be mounted above, like on a ceiling. Now that flickering is not seen by me. It's only going through the camera because of the way the camera picks up light, LEDs, sometimes you get that. This is the motion sensor right there, so you can put it in auto mode, and when it blinks like that, it's on auto mode. So if I walk away, it's probably gonna be tough. Oh, see, it picked it up and it turned on. Or you can just manually turn this on and off. I really like the color changing feature that it has here, but if you just wanna set your color to a certain color, you can just do this. I'm actually gonna use mine outside. I'm gonna mount it probably to the side of my refrigerator, like so, to basically light up these steps. I'm not gonna have it on that color, probably have it on white, but it'll be a motion sensing light outside, and when people come by, there it is. When people come by, it'll turn on. So like this, right? And I'll have my steps lit up. So you don't have to use this in a shower, although it is made to be in a shower and made for damp locations. It also has buttons on the back if you don't want to use the remote, or if you lose a remote, it's not like you're SOL. And this is the charging port right here, USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cable, and it does also come with hardware, as in screws and a mount. So you can basically mount this anywhere, because you put this wherever you want, you stick it there. You can, you stick it there, but you're supposed to use screws, but this is sticky tape. But yeah, this is the waterproof shower light. Doesn't have to be used in showers, can be used outdoors.